Hello everyone, so here I would like talk to you about this rainforest from National Geographic. Then just talk about the rainforest. The rainforest is very old and more than 70 million years old. They cover only 6% of Earth, but they are home to over half of all plants and animals. They are also the lungs of our planet. Then rainforests make about 40% of the oxygen we breathe, and then without them, our climate will get worse. Rainforests also give us medicine. About 70% cancer fighting plants come from the rainforest. If we lost them, we lost future crops. But rainforests are disappearing fast because of deforestation. If we don't act, they may be gone in our lifetime. So let's protect them by supporting sustainable products, reducing waste, and raising awareness. So if we take one plant, we should put two more plants. Okay, I think that's a simple of from the National Geographic. I think enough. Thank you very much.